In this video, I'll walk you through the process of clearing up storage on your Nintendo Switch. If you find this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more handy tips and tricks. Clearing up storage on the Nintendo Switch frees up space for new games and updates. It also improves system performance by removing unnecessary data. To begin, turn on your Nintendo Switch and navigate to the main menu. From there, open the controller interface and locate the System Settings option. Click on it to open the Settings menu. Once you're on the System Settings page, you will notice a vertical menu on the left-hand side. Scroll down this menu and find the option labeled Data Management. Select this option to access the data management settings. Once you're on the data management page, you will need to scroll down slightly until you see the option for Manage Software. This is where you can view all the games and software installed on your Nintendo Switch. A list will appear showing the names of the games currently stored on your console. You can now select any game you wish to manage. For example, let's say you've chosen Tetris 99. Click on this game, and you will be taken to a new screen with different options for managing the game. One of the options available on this page is Delete Software. Clicking on this option will prompt a confirmation message asking if you're sure you want to delete the game. To proceed, select Delete, and the game will be permanently removed from your Nintendo Switch. This method allows you to free up space on your device by deleting any game you no longer wish to keep. You can repeat this process for as many games as you want, selecting and deleting them one by one. By doing so, you can easily manage the storage on your Nintendo Switch, making more room for other games or software you want to install. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.